Hello and welcome to the video on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on the 2Touch interactive whiteboard. It's important to note that you can use the software without installing any special drivers or software. This is extremely useful for casual teachers or visiting presenters. In this training video, we're using Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, but the features are essentially the same across the various versions of the program. First thing you want to do is launch a slideshow presentation and you're ready to go. Now when you touch the screen, the slides will progress as if you were clicking with a mouse. It makes it easy to click on links that you might have in your presentation and progress throughout the presentation. Something you may not have seen before, however, is a small menu bar which is hidden at the bottom of the screen. You can access this by simply performing a hover function, that is to touch a non-projected area of your 2Touch interactive whiteboard and drag your finger onto a projected area from outside. You'll then see a small toolbar pop up in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This menu includes a back button, pen or annotate menu, options menu and next button. I'm going to select the annotate menu and then the red pen. I can then move up and down and draw and write on the slide inside of the software. Now you may note that whilst I'm drawing with the red pen, I can't actually progress onto the next slide or the next point. This is where you utilize the next button or the right arrow at the bottom of the screen to progress to the next step in your animation or to your next slide. On this slide, I'll show you how you can integrate these features into a standard presentation. Here we can underline some text, write something in additional detail, like features, or even take notes directly from an audience. Now the one thing you may notice is that the slide can quickly fill up, and PowerPoint does not provide an ability to simply add a new slide during the session, so you must have already planned ahead by adding more space or more slides before you begin your presentation. This is where the 2Touch Workbook whiteboarding software can assist you with providing a more dynamic environment where you can add slides and features as you need. We'll go through the 2Touch Workbook software in further detail in a later video. For now, at the end of your presentation, all of the notes you have written and pictures you've drawn can be saved as part of your presentation. Simply exit the slideshow and you'll be prompted here to select whether you want to keep or delete the annotated notes. If you select keep, you'll notice that the ink objects are now inserted back onto the slides and you're actually able to go back in and edit them or delete them afterwards.